Welcome to Toy Review Land, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at some random toys, some of which I had lying around, some of which I found that were on sale, and some of which I just couldn't fit into a longer video. So let's take a look at what we're going to open. First off, we're going to look at one of Thomas's friends, Timothy. Then we're going to look at a Pixar Cars, Max Schnell. Then we're going to take a look at a Magiclip Ariel. I found her and thought I could use her in some of my other Princess and Imaginext videos. Then we're going to take a look at a Star Wars Yoda Hotwheels. I found this one all by itself, and I couldn't find any other Star Wars cars to go along with it. And finally, we're going to take a look at another Cars racer. This is Nigel Gearsley. So let's open up Timothy. Timothy is from the Take and Play collection. And I've done a few videos on that, and those are really fun. He's got magnets in the front and the back, so he sticks to other cars. I'm going to do some more Take and Play toys in the future. But for now, I thought I'd just open up Timothy so he can be with his friends. Now let's take a look at Max Schnell. He's a neon racer. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. I love all the graphics. He's a pretty cool looking car. I've had these neon racers sitting around for a long time. And since I've been opening up so many Hot Wheels, I just couldn't resist anymore. Wow, he's fun. I love him. Cool. Now let's open up Ariel. I found Ariel on sale, so I had to pick her up. Now she can join the other princesses in some of my fun Imaginext stories. I love her green dress. It's all sparkly. It's really pretty. And I love her crown, or her tiara. Let's put her in her purple dress. That one's pretty cool too. Out she comes. There she goes in her purple dress. Gorgeous. I was really excited when I found her, because I have some of the other princesses, but I was missing Ariel. Next, let's take a look at this Hot Wheels Yoda car. I found this one all by itself, and I looked all over for other Star Wars cars, but I couldn't find any more. So I got this one. Check out this crazy little car. It's pretty neat looking. It's got an engine in the back, and I love the big giant ears on the side. Isn't that funny? And look, it has little lightsaber handles on the side. I thought that was really cute. Now let's open up Nigel Gearsley. He's the other neon racer that I found at Target. Whoa, check him out. What an awesome looking car. Isn't he cool? He's got his little British flag on the hood. Wow, that's a cool car. I love all the graphics. Cool. Well, I'm so happy I finally got to open them. Thanks for watching our random toy opening. Which toy was your favorite? Is it Timothy or Ariel, or the funny Yoda car, or Max Schnell, or Nigel Gearsley? Let me know in the comments. To watch more fun toy videos, click on one of the pictures. See you later.